How many times have you said this? If it ain't one thing, it's another. If you've got real world bills and real world problems that won't let up, then you've already said this at least once. I don't remember the first time I said it, but I do remember the day I decided to stop. I was living in New York, struggling with my career, money, health, manipulative relationships, narcissistic family members. And one day I was talking to a friend and I heard my own voice as I was complaining, and I didn't like my attitude. I'm a naturally optimistic person, but somehow, over the course of dealing with all those struggles, I found myself sliding down a slippery slope of pessimism, which, let's be honest, isn't really that hard to do. When you keep getting knocked down, eventually you learn to stay down. That moment of realization changed the course of my life. I committed to doing whatever it took to change my narrative, regardless of what I would have to sacrifice. It required a lot of mental, emotional, and spiritual work on my part, but it worked. And it's still working. If you know that feeling of frustration and you're tired of being stuck in limbo, I want you to join Breakthrough Blueprint, and I'll show you my 6-step process to kicking limiting beliefs to the curb and making real progress towards a fulfilled you. You can settle for a life that's just good enough, or you can get everything you came for. I already made my decision. What's yours?